problem. She has a rash. Oh my God. Not like that, America. Not like that.
Down there.
A little rashy, you know, from the tub. Little oils mixing in.
It might be from the toilet.
Might be from the turlet. The turlet.
The turlet.
Yes, the turlet. Now, today for dinner, Jen had a big surprise for everybody. A big pot of vegetable soup. Yeah, see, when the camera doesn't moves, goes to that camera, so it tells me which one to go to. Now, Jen, why don't you tell America how your soup was?
It was delicious.
It was delicious.
God.
Jen is another woman of many words in this household. Now, were you stuffed? Were you stuffed?
I was so stuffed.
So stuffed.
And I had a pepper stuck in my teeth.
Pip, oh, she had
Yeah,
a
no
pepper.
shit. I thought I was crazy.
You get it in there. And
I'm
you
like an
can't get, you
innocent
can't
fucking
get it out.
Catholic girl compared to these two.
Okay. Great talk with Jen. Great talk. Do you want to keep talking? Do you love it? Chelsea is back. Yeah, hey. Chelsea flipped the finger to us. Great girl. Great girl. Love to bring her home to mom. Great girl. Yes. I think that's all the time we've had. We had 4 interviews tonight.
4?
4. Parker had many words.
What did he say?
Nothing. A man of many words. A great smile, though, from Springfield, Illinois. Women, you'll love them. Oh, we're back to this camera. Okay. See, flip me off. We go to this camera.
Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about? Okay. Now, once again, we're here with Jen, Parker, Sharon. Chelsea flipped us, but that's okay, America. That's going to do it for us tonight. You have any last-minute words to say?
She's like, Tiffany was like, did I really need to say something?
She's never been on camera before. She's a little camera shy. Coach Jen, thanks. Good to see you, Coach. Yes, superstar. Superstar. She had the lift.
I love it.
Come here. No, Jen. Jen, why don't you come here and tell them how you say I'm the 5th?